Everyone wants success in life, but only a few truly achieve it. Why? Because most people forget the two greatest treasures that lead to real success. In today's story, you'll discover what they are and how they can change your life forever. So, stay till the end, because this story might just shift your entire perspective. In a peaceful little town, there lived an old wise man who spent his days sitting beside a quiet river. Every morning, people saw him whispering the same words over and over again. You will get what you want. You will get what you want. People walking by laughed at him. Some thought he was crazy. Others just ignored him. But the old man never stopped. He kept repeating his words, calm, focused, and full of faith. One day, a young man named David was walking down the same path. He was poor, frustrated, and tired of his failures. He had big dreams, but no direction. When David heard the old man's voice, he stopped and listened. Then he walked closer and asked, "Sir, do you really mean that we can get whatever we want?" The old man looked at him and smiled kindly. "Yes, my son," he said, "I can give you what you want. But there's one condition. You must believe me and follow my words sincerely." David nodded eagerly. "Sir, I want to be rich. I want to become a great diamond and pearl trader." The old man's eyes sparkled. "Ah, that's a good wish," he said. "I will give you diamonds and pearls that will make you richer than you can imagine." The old man took David's right hand and said, "In this palm, I place the most valuable diamond in the world. Its name is time. Hold it tightly and never waste it, because from this diamond, you can create any treasure you want." Then he took David's other hand and continued, "And now I place in your left hand the most precious pearl in the world, patience. When you try again and again but fail to see results, use this pearl. It will give you strength to keep going." David stood silently. The old man smiled and said, "Remember, my son, whoever has time and patience can achieve anything in this world." From that day, David changed his life completely. He started respecting time like a treasure. He worked every day, learned new things, and stayed calm even when things didn't go his way. He joined a small diamond trading company as a helper. While others wasted time gossiping or complaining, David worked quietly and consistently. He studied diamonds, learned how to identify real from fake, and helped his master with full dedication. Years passed. David's patience was tested many times, but he never gave up. And one day, all that hard work paid off. He opened his own diamond shop. Within a few years, his name became famous across the country. The same people who once ignored him now came seeking his advice. One morning, as David stood in front of his shop, he remembered the old man's words, "You will get what you want." And he smiled, because now he truly understood the meaning. Time and patience. "These were the real diamonds and pearls he gave me," he whispered. "Without them, no dream can shine." Look at your own life. You have dreams, goals, and hopes. But ask yourself, are you using your time wisely? Are you keeping patience when things get tough? Because no matter how big your dream is, without time and patience, it will remain just a dream. Time is the greatest treasure, and patience is the strength that helps you protect it. If you value both, success is not just possible, it's inevitable. So remember, don't waste time, don't lose patience, because no one is stronger than time, and no treasure is greater than patience. Keep these two gems, time and patience, inside your heart, and one day, you'll get everything you've ever wanted. If this story inspired you, share it with someone who needs hope today. Like this video, subscribe for more life-changing stories, and remember, stay patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward.